Manufacturers can reduce costs, increase revenues, and work more efficiently by using AI and quantum-inspired digital technologies. These technologies help to optimize processes, machine operations, and the use of people and other resources. When used together with automation, sensors, and real-time data, AI and quantum-inspired offerings let manufacturers calculate and solve complex problems to maximize business operations, improve workforce efficiency, intelligently manage supply chains, and reduce production downtime. AI helps companies remain flexible and competitive, even during market downturns or other disruptions. Contact us to learn more.